All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about two cryptocurrencies, Fantom cryptocurrency and Cosmos. We're going to do a little deep dive into both of them. All kinds of good stuff going on. Both of them are up in the last 7 days. Fantom's up crazy numbers. We're going to go over that in a little bit. And then at the end, we're going to go over Dogelon Mars is up 50% in the last 7 days. So Cosmos, Fantom, and at the end, we're going to talk about Dogelon Mars, do a little price prediction on Fantom and Cosmos. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. With that, let's head over to Fantom cryptocurrency. All right, here at Fantom, number 32 cryptocurrency on the planet. Take a look at this, everybody. Oh my gosh, up 53% in the last 7 days. So the Fantom has been on the lurk, 53% in the last 7 days. It's down 2% in 24 hours, but who cares about 2% when it goes up 53%? Over to the right here, now it even says it's not even 2%. It's down at 0.75%. So Fantom is traded at $2.26. Can we make some money with Fantom? All right, here's the last 7 days. So Fantom 7 days ago was traded at about $1.48. And then here's the typical, let's go up the mountain. And it's been going and going and going. So Fantom is actually on the uptick. It's actually up over 50% the last 7 days. What's going on with the holders of Fantom? Click the holders, click in the 3 months. This is actually pretty big, everybody. So 3 months ago, there was 37,000 holders of Fantom. We kind of go 3 months later, December 27th, 68,000. 68 to 38, that's 30,000. 30,000 on the 37, that's about an 80-85% uptick. So the holders of Fantom are up 80-85%. Holy cow, everybody. Over here at the website, Performance Matters, Fantom is a fast, high, open source, smart contract platform for digital assets of DeFi apps. Yep, getting started. So we're going to play this little video here real quick to kind of explain what Fantom is. Then we're going to switch over to Cosmos. Here we go.
The problem with previous blockchain platforms is that they are based on older technologies that don't scale. With Bitcoin, you have to wait 30 to 60 minutes at the store for the payment to clear. With Fantom, your payments are received faster than you can swipe your credit card. Fantom is a network of custom blockchains designed for speed, security, and scalability. These features allow users to create applications that can be used in the real world, such as payments, central bank digital currencies, storing sensitive medical data, and much more. How? Fantom fixes the issue at the root with Lachesis, an innovative consensus mechanism and the engine that powers the blockchain. Lachesis is much faster and cheaper than previous technologies, but still extremely secure. The combination of speed, security, and scalability makes Fantom perfect for banks, governments, and other organizations that haven't been convinced by other blockchains. With Lachesis at the core, thousands of networks can be deployed on Fantom with no compromise in speed or security. Each network can be customized to specific needs, forming a fully decentralized ecosystem, all secured by staking FTM. Whether you need a private network for sensitive medical or financial data, or a public network for verifying the results of an election, Fantom makes it a reality. We believe everyone should be part of that reality. Create your future.
All right, so there's a little Fantom. Pretty nice video explaining everything. I think Fantom's got their stuff together, that's for sure. So there's the first half of it. We're going to come back and do a price prediction on Fantom when we're done. Let's jump over to Cosmos. We haven't talked about Cosmos in a while. The coin is up in the last 7 days, but it's down in the last 24 hours. Let's check it out, everybody. All right, over here, Cosmos, number 29th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. It's up 17% in the last 24 hours, but here's where it's down 12% in the last, it's up 17% in the last 7 days, but it's down 12% in the last 24 hours. So it's almost even, it's actually still up a little bit. Taking a look at Cosmos, again, look at this, down 12% today. Holy cow, everybody. This is just going on right this second. Coin's traded at $27.11. If we take a look at today's chart, I mean, it's going down, down, down. If we take a look at the 7-day chart, it's kind of like it goes up, and then we're on the back down thing. So Cosmos, what's going on with Cosmos? It's up and down. Over here at Cosmos' website, cosmos.network, the internet of blockchains. Cosmos is an ever-expanding ecosystem, interconnected apps and services built on decentralized future. Enter the new universe of connected services. There's 262 apps and services growing. I wanted to show you this real quick. Cosmos on their Twitter account right here lies in the numbers of D apps. Cosmos, take a look, 262 apps. And take a look at Cardano. Now, everybody loves Cardano, but they're missing a 2 in the front here. So Cosmos has definitely got their stuff together, everybody. Again, there's the 262. There's the 262. Over 200 more apps than Cardano. Cosmos apps and services connect using IBC, the Internet Blockchain Communication Protocol. This innovative enables you to freely exchange assets and data across decentralized blockchains. Digital assets under management, 169B. The heart of the interchain. Serving as the economy center of Cosmos, the Cosmos Hub is a blockchain that provides virtual services to the interchain. You got marketplace, security providers, routers, custodians. Secured by Atom. In the return for securing services, Cosmos Hub transaction fees and staking rewards are distributed to Atom stakers. How do you stake? Start staking today. Get Atom and stake. That's right, everybody. Before you begin, what is an Atom token? What is staking? And what is a wallet? Well, we already know what the wallet is. Get the MetaMask wallet, Binance Chain wallet. Wallets are going to keep your cryptocurrency. Staking is kind of like you're putting your money aside and you're making an interest rate. Big thing in cryptocurrency today. Get Atom using one of the many cryptocurrency exchanges. Some exchanges offer services today, but this requires a delegate ownership of tokens to them. Transfer your Atom into the wallet. Lock up, stake your Atoms. Using the wallet, send the simple transactions, often called stake, and start staking today. This locks up your Atoms, and you can basically start making money today. So we got a little bit of Fantom. We got a little bit of Cosmos, all kinds of going on. We're going to just jump over to a quick article to talk about Dogelon Mars, up 50%. Then we're going to come back with some price predictions. Hey, by the way, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal in this channel is to help every single person learn about some cryptocurrency and one day even own cryptocurrency. Here you go. Elon Musk's name token Dogelon Mars gains 50% this week, beating Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. That's right, Dogelon Mars. Over the last week, cryptocurrency, Dogelon Mars has surged over 50%, competing with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So Dogelon Mars is right there doing a fantastic job. It's up 50%. Elon Musk's big ambition is to take humans to Mars. So, Dogelon Mars is the cryptocurrency for intergalactic travel. So when you actually go to Mars, you're going to pay with Dogecoin. You're going to pay with Dogelon Mars. Here's something funny. When you sell your Elon, look at how sad the person is. When you're holding Elon, look at how happy the person is. So are you holding some Dogelon Mars today? Elon got a big boost of the token, 2 leading exchanges this week. The team is aiming to introduce the X Elon governance token, which is coming up, hopefully. Dogelon Mars up 50%. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to Fantom and do a little price prediction, and head over to Cosmos and do a little price prediction. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. All right, back over here at Fantom, being traded at $2.31. Going back a few months ago, so right here in October, this token was actually at $3, $3.47 and $2.55. My price prediction is this token at least can get to $2.50 to $2.75 by the end of the first quarter of next year. All our information is for educational purposes only. But going back and look, it was already higher than that, and there's some traction going on right now. So Fantom, I think, is going to go up. Let's head over to Cosmos. And right here, Cosmos, we're looking back the last 3 months. And again, it was traded at $41 just in October. It was traded at $36. It was traded at $35. It was traded at $30. Our price prediction is I think this coin can at least get to $32. That's $5 on the 27. All our information is for educational purposes only, but even Cosmos has got a lot of good things going on right now. And there's Cosmos. Decentraland is down 11% in 24 hours today. You may want to take a look at that. Tron is down 5% today. Near is up 50%, but down 10%. So Near is still up 40%. Bitcoin Cash is down 5%, and it's under $500. And we had a lesson on that about a month ago when it's under $500. Could be a good thing to look at, Bitcoin Cash. Algorand is down 10% and up 10% in the last 7 days. So it's kind of breaking even. Shiba Inu is down 9% today, but up 8% for the week. So Shiba's balancing it out. Same thing right there. Let's check out the Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum's down 6% today, and Bitcoin is down 6% today. All right, everybody, there's a little Fantom, a little Cosmos, two awesome cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to share this video with everybody. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. Today happens to be a bonus video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.